Okay guys, so we finally arrived in Durham and we are staying here tonight. It is the 21C Museum Hotel and this is a room tour. So this is the entryway when you come in and this is what you see to the right. It is quite lovely. This is the bathroom. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. I love that mirror. Look at the detailing. Oh yes. And this is what I also love. A shower that you can see in. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the different shampoos. Let's see. I am so impressed with them. You step down into this and look at this. Look at the brand. Rum Body Wash, the peppermint shampoo. Oh, that is amazing. And look at the detailing. A. And so, oh, it's just so beautiful. Coming back out of here. Okay, over here, be closet space. Let's see. Ample storage. And here, I've already put our things in, and that is lovely. Ample storage. Oh, every time you open the closet door, the closet lights up. I love that. And I love that there's a robe there. And an iron, a blanket. And then you walk into the guest bedroom area. Look at this. I put my goodie bag right here, but then you can see that that's the ice. Now on here was the refreshing element of water. The gentleman downstairs in the lobby was telling us about Path water bottle, which reminds me of a Stanley bottle. Still purified water with electrolytes, and you can get more downstairs. So we can take that and drink that and get up when we get back from dinner and get some more. Isn't that nice? And then here, the restaurant is the counting house. So if I showed you this, you would get a view of what is offered at the counting house restaurant. And the hotel is 21C Museums Hotel. Now, so that's the goodies that they have listed for the room service. Now, why they have this little chair here, I'm not certain. But perhaps you pull this out? No. There's not a space there to work, but yet there's a chair, a stool there. I'm curious. Anyway, behind there is a lovely little settee on which I have put my camera, my film bag, my tripod, and that is the book my longtime girlfriends, sister friends, and I will be reading. Hi Anita, hi Jaslyn. We're going to try and get Shirley to join us. And Shirley brought me with her this Fiji water. And of course, I have my Kindle. Now, when you walk over here to the left, you see a painting Now this is lovely because this is 21C Museum's hotel. Is this not fabulous? And this is like three-dimensional, standing out from the painting. I just love the way his bandana in this old school picture fits into this main picture. And here is the lovely little side table, and this is what is on it. To hell with habits. And you see the Hoxton. If you want to do it like a local, nobody wants to feel like a tourist. And this is just giving you information probably of what you can see in Durham. The Mandarin. If you want a hotel that challenges your imagination, Mandarin is the kind of hotel you've always dreamed of staying at. Oh, I love, love, love this little piece of magic on the side. So I will be sitting over here working on my, come on, let's get this lighting back. Working on my editing. I love the bed, the way it's designed, a beautiful soft white bed. Now let's go to the window. Let's go to the view. When you look up here, you're looking into someone's apartment. Can you see that? Oh, I think that is so charming. And down from that, you've got like workspaces. And I think the sign on this building said, "We work." So I'm sure you've got people sharing workspace. And that's down the street below where we came up. And the juice keys would be right there. And you've got the people walking. I like her top. And over here, here's another view of the same building. Oh, Claudia. This goes on my tripod. Oh, I just love this. I just love it. There is a museum downstairs, and I've got to use my cell phone to capture that for you. But the gentleman said, one gentleman said, come down at 11 at night and film. And the other one working there said, no, use your cell phone. And he looked like he didn't want to admit that I could use a cell phone. Oh my goodness, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. What am I going to do? I am going to join my friend downstairs, and we're going in search of something to eat. See the back of my hair? I've got the Anthony Dickey method working, as I was telling you, where I got my curls on blast on shiny, poppin', juicy curls. I am excited. All right, guys, I'm looking in the viewfinder because I gotta make sure you can see me. I am going to go downstairs now and get some footage of the museum in this illustrious hotel in Durham, North Carolina. We'll be heading to Richmond in the morning, Richmond, Virginia. And that would be a hello, Deirdre. Hello, raindrops. We'll be passing through your area very soon. All right, guys, see you in the museum. Thank you.
We'll sign right there too.
Okay.
All right. You have to show me some of your work when you get back.
Will do.
All right, no doubt.
I told him you did poetry and writing.
Oh,
Writes.
really?
Yeah.
He sounds like a great conversationalist. Brother man. And he was right. A lot of people will take a plunge when that money goes. Where are we, Shirley? What is this, Main Street?
I don't think it's Main.
West Main. West Main goes across. This is Corcoran. Is Corcoran? Corcoran. Mike Corcoran spelled his name differently. Okay. Look at that, American Underground. I wonder if it's good to have this big camera out here. We ain't gonna stay that long. And girl, I went up there and got so much footage.
Did you?
Yes.
I said, oh my God, I hope she didn't get lost.
No, I went up there and guess what, Shirley? The gallery was open. That wasn't the floor we were on, where it was all cleaned out. That wasn't the floor. The gallery was open, and I was able to get my clips.
It's on the second floor, right?
Correct. And he had us on another floor when he said they clean it out. And I knew that place looked different from where we were. But, yes, ma'am.
Now he said, he was saying letters, but I thought he was saying ladders.
He was saying ladders?
Remember when I asked him where it was?
Uh-huh.
He kept saying, you see the red ladders?
Oh, he meant these.
Letters. I thought it was called ladders.
So what did he mean? He was saying letters? Oh.
Red letters. Oh, there's no sidewalk here.
It's okay. We gonna walk right on around here. Shirley, it's raining. Rain hit my forehead.
No, I definitely don't want to be caught out here.
No, I do not. I'd rather be upstairs editing. But I like this footage. D-Pack is what? What does that mean?
I have no idea.
Shirley is like, you on your own for that, Sadie Mae. Your guess is as good as mine. That's cute.
But I am worried about this rain.
I am too, and I'm fine right here. Okay. Okay, guys, so our wonderful doorman in the hotel was telling us quite where to go, but I think we've seen quite enough at this time of night, and the rain is peppering my head, so I'm going to show you all across the street with self-help, and then we're going back up the way we came down, and I need to go back and get some editing done, but this is quite lovely, and the night is equally as beautiful as the day.
Ma'am, what all is inside there?
Performing Arts Center. We just had the Jimi Hendrix experience.
Oh, wow!
2 days ago we had Perform, which is the music store, the great story. Next week we have performance. We do Broadway plays. We do live entertainment.
Thank you! Okay, so she got a nice one. I like that car. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so are we gonna walk across there at American? We can go cut through here or go.
We're going to go to the sidewalk.
Okay, y'all heard it from Shirley. We are going with Shirley.